All right, let's go winter sow some seeds. In shorts?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we did get a little break in the weather, so we thought we would film our first winter sowed seeds of the year.
Okay, so I put these in, I put this in there?
Yeah, we gotta prep the jug first though.
How?
Okay, we're gonna cut it from here the whole way around. That open so we can set it like this.
Oh, okay.
So then we put soil away. Oh wait, I forgot something.
Now that I'm just here, let's mess it up.
I heard that.
What?
I heard that.
No, you didn't.
I did. So to mess it up.
No, why?
Yeah, we should have done this before we started because I put some drain holes in with my knife. Danger, danger. One, 2, 3, 4. And we go up an inch and put another one for good measure. So it has an extra drainage on the side there. Okay, so now we're gonna fill it up almost to the top with our pre-moistened potting mix.
My hand's cold.
This is Happy Frog. What do you want to plant?
What is there?
So here's what we need. We need our knife.
If you want to do this.
We need a scissors to cut our jugs. We need a Sharpie to write on what we're planting. We need a spray bottle to spray the tops of it. And then we need our seeds, of course. And we need our duct tape, which I think that's still off camera. Okay,
wait,
no, we need to take it up almost to the top. So we take our cap off. You know what we do with the cap?
What?
We throw it.
Oh, there that goes. No.
Get rid of the cap. Yeah, the rainwater needs to come in. And the hot air needs to go out. Almost. You're getting closer. Here's some seeds from Baker Creek. We got Italian pepperoncini for Grandma. We got Jimmy Nardello Italian. That's a sweet pepper, even though it looks like a hot pepper.
Yeah, it does.
We got phlox. They sent us those for free. We got tomato Prairie Fire. We got long green beans, which we probably won't winter sow those because they need to be super, super hot. We got classic tomato beef steak. We got jade beans. Yeah, those are more hot too. Broccoli is what I think we would do for our first.
I don't like broccoli. What about that?
You like broccoli?
No, just the
Oh, this is the.
I want that.
It's a jalapeno pepper style,
Yeah,
but it doesn't have heat.
I know. I still want it though.
Well, it's okay. You can plant that.
Yeah,
See
is
how
that
it goes. Yeah, make sure it's packed down pretty well and make it nice and flat so the seeds will lay on the top.
Wait, I can scrape the layers off. That will?
Is it a little too much, maybe?
Yeah,
It's a little wet too, isn't it?
that's good. That's good.
It'll drain out there.
That's good.
Okay. So how many do you want to do? I would say we do 9. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seeds. So just lay them right on the top, and then we'll put a little more soil on top of them. Yay! Our first jug of. Your hands are dirty, aren't they? That's 9. That's more than 9. We'll put some back.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands after.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't get the 6 wrong. 6, 7, 8. Last one.
Well, you can put some over there too.
9, 10,
They might not all sprout.
11, 12, 13, 14,
15. 15. Beautiful.
16.
10 jalapeno seeds.
16.
And
then
hey, wait, no, we gotta cover them up. We're gonna cover them with a thin layer of potting soil. I think that potting soil is plenty wet, isn't it? So let's write on here,
We're done.
right on the top, Sam jalapeno.
Can we do another one? Can we do more in this one?
Yeah, we'll do more. Not, I don't think we need any more of that. I don't think we're gonna
Now
use
what?
a whole lot. Write Sam jalapeno on the side there.
Okay, can you tell me how to spell it?
It's right here.
Okay.
You might need to hold the jug.
Yeah.
I bet you'd like to do it with some red duct tape, wouldn't you?
And then there's a little mustache on top of it.
Of course there is. Oh, the onion.
Yeah.
Good job. I didn't know you knew Spanish. How to write Spanish.
There. Look. Ham jalapeno.
Yep. Good job. Okay, now we gotta put some water in the spray bottle.
What do we do with the rest of the water? Because we have to empty it to put more seeds.
We have some empty jugs.
Okay. Do you want me to go get it?
So you want to spray this a little bit? Actually, I don't think it needs sprayed. Look, it's already draining out
Wait,
the
let me
bottle.
go look for more empty. I got an empty one.
Okay.
Look,
Oh.
empty.
We're gonna put some duct tape around this one. I got this duct tape at the dollar store, so there's hardly any duct tape on there. I might be off camera.
Let me see.
My head cut off.
Yeah, just a little.
Okay, I was sitting down like this.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is super cheap duct tape. This should be great. So it's actually a little more than my knees. I'm gonna pick this up, round it like this.
There. Do we have to take this cap off?
Perfect.
Alright, the cap is off. Now it's time to flick it.
Good flick. Good job. First
My hand.
jug done. Ah! We'll put these out in the garden. I put them in a drain pan so that we can water them easily if they get dried out. Camera guy has something to say for the channel.
Let's keep this channel growing.
That's right. Subscribe and click the bell so you get notified and don't miss any updates.
Okay.
Great. Get it.
Yeah!